How to transfer money from Crypto.com to Coinbase. Open the Crypto.com app and go to Accounts, then select Crypto Wallet. Click Transfer, followed by Withdraw, and choose External Wallet. If you haven't added a wallet address yet, click the plus in the top right to add one. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, e.g., XRP, and then find your Coinbase wallet address by opening the Coinbase Wallet app, clicking on the Swap button, and selecting Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, e.g., Solana, and copy the address. Return to Crypto.com, select the same cryptocurrency, e.g., Solana, paste the wallet address, and choose the appropriate network, e.g., Solana Network. After naming the wallet and confirming ownership, enter your passcode, and the wallet address will be added to your list. Finally, choose how much to transfer and click Withdraw. If you meet the minimum amount for the withdrawal, the crypto will be transferred to your Coinbase wallet. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.